network slowly grew, and many people came from different places of India, mostly from south. And I have got a big list of their names. They all came here. Some of them accepted, took baptism. They were with us for 3 to 4 years, like that. Then they went away from Calcutta to different places. Afterwards, other believers, they started coming, because Calcutta House of Prayer is just like a school. One batch is going, another batch is coming. Like that, coming and going, coming and going. And today we have got 8 to 9 language people. But I am a Bengali. But I don't say that I am a Bengali and I want to start a Bengali church here now. I am a Telugu with a Telugu, I am a Punjabi with a Punjabi, I am a Nepali with a Nepali. Everybody knows. So that's how the work has been going on. Many God servants came here, and now I am 87 years old. But still I am serving with my assistants. So please remember in your prayers, this house of prayer, so that Lord may keep us always ready for His coming, so that when He comes, He may also go with Him.
I want to know some more experiences with Bhakt Singh.
Mr. Bhakt Singh, I told you, he wanted me to become full-time. But I said, if the Lord wants, so he did not say anything. He did not get angry, but he patted.
How he encouraged you?
Huh?
How he encouraged you?
He said, okay.
While he is coming and going through Kalimpong,
Whenever we used to go to Kalimpong, I had to go to airport to receive him, and sometimes go with him. Like that, I used to go to. Actually, what happened when I retired in 1990? In that year, Brother Jordan Khan, he last went to Kalimpong, and after finishing the Holy Convocation, he came to Calcutta, and there, from Calcutta, he went to Bilaspur, and there he expired. But in the train, he told me, when I come next time, I will take you with me to this mountain areas. I could not understand. I said, okay, brother. Then brother went away. And it so happened that those mountain brothers, they asked me to come there. And I started going from 90. And I continued up to 96 or 97. I went to Sikkim. I went to Nepal. I went to Bhutan. And I went to Namchi and Darjeeling district. All these places I went. Now also they are calling me, but because of my health, I am not able to go alone. Somebody should go with me. Just 1 year before I went to Jaigaon, Mamre. Before that also, this is how. And Brother Bhakt Singh, you knew, he last came to Calcutta, and afterwards he also went there. So, like that, Lord has kept me still for His service, but I can say in the language of Joseph, Jacob's son. Just when Joseph was sold and he went to Egypt, there father came. They thought now he will take revenge. But he said, don't fear. God, the Bible verse and saying, God has planned it for good. And that happened in my case. So this is my short testimony, because the work at Calcutta is big. It will become a big book. But in short, I have said this. So please keep us in your prayer so that we may continue.
We are very happy to visit you.
Pardon?
We are very happy to visit you.
Yes. I am also happy to see you all. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.